In this video, we're going to take a look at ketone bodies. So I'll just read out the dot points that I've got there. They might be a bit small. So we've got ketone bodies are formed in the liver, and their basic purpose is to recycle CoA to provide energy to vital organs during starvation, insulin resistance or deficiency, or fasting, basically when your sugar levels are low. So they provide energy to our vital organs when we're starving or we don't have sugar in our body. The three ketone bodies are acetoacetate, acetone, and beta-hydroxybutyrate. So that's a quick introduction into ketone bodies. Let's have a look at ketogenesis, and we're going to look at this very basically. So I'm just going to cover up some of this and we can focus on the dot points one at a time. So here we've got, unless the TCA cycle is continually topped up by the anaplerotic reactions, which I have a video on, then the TCA cycle will not function. If the TCA cycle does not function, then beta oxidation will run out of CoA. And to recycle CoA, ketone bodies are formed only in the liver. So we don't have the TCA cycle being topped up, we're starving. As a last result, our liver produces ketone bodies. So let's start with the first step. We've got 2-acetyl-CoA becoming acetoacetyl-CoA, and the enzyme here is acetoacetyl-CoA synthase/thiolase. Then we have acetoacetyl-CoA becoming 3-hydroxymethylglutaryl-CoA with the addition of another acetyl-CoA. And the enzyme here is HMG-CoA synthase. Then we have 3-hydroxymethylglutaryl-CoA becoming acetoacetate, which is one of our ketone bodies, by the enzyme HMG-CoA lyase. And it's lyase because we've cut out an acetyl-CoA now. Lyase means we're cutting out one of the compounds inside the chemical. So we've got acetoacetate can now become two other ketone bodies. So by spontaneous decomposition, there's no enzyme here, it's pretty unique, this process, you can get acetone, and its CO2 is cleaved off, as you can see there, and this gives you fruity breath. So if you were to see a patient and they had fruity breath, that is quite dangerous because that means that they have very low sugar levels and they're producing the ketone body acetone, which is giving them that fruity breath. Or you can have acetoacetate becoming beta-hydroxybutyrate through the enzyme beta-hydroxybutyrate dehydrogenase. And there's an NADH becoming an NAD here. So that's how ketone bodies are formed. That's a very basic way to describe it. And I didn't necessarily need to know this for my biological chemistry course. However, it can be helpful to have this understanding in the back of your mind so you have a better idea of what ketone bodies are. And quickly, we're just going to have a quick idea about how ketone bodies are metabolized. So in order to metabolize them, they can be broken back down to acetyl-CoA, which is then used in the TCA cycle. So there's a further process to that, but that's what the basic idea is. So that's the basics about ketone bodies.